Today, we are going to be talking about our new Amscope SE305 stereo microscope. A stereo microscope is an optical microscope that is designed to view specimens at a relatively low magnification. And to achieve that, the light source needs to be placed above the stage, which is a part of the microscope which holds the specimen. This means that light can reflect off the specimen and onto the microscope's lenses, meaning that it is able to view opaque objects. The magnification achieved by a microscope is equal to the magnification of its eyepiece multiplied by the magnification of its objective lens. Which means that using a 10 times magnifying eyepiece combined with a 1 times magnifying objective lens produces 10 times magnification. The Amscope Series 305 stereo microscope comes with a rotating nosepiece. It allows for switching between 1 times and 3 times magnification objectives. It is a binocular microscope, meaning that there are 2 eyepieces which allows for viewing with 2 eyes at once. The microscope comes with a transparent stage, which is used for bottom illumination, which is a technique where light is being transmitted through the specimen instead of being reflected from it, making it similar to how compound light microscopes work. This switch is used to turn the lights above and below the stage on and off, which allows us to switch between top and bottom illumination. Which technically means that this stereo microscope can be used to observe microanimals. However, due to its low magnification limit, the footage is not great. And while digital zoom can be used to increase magnification, this just produces empty magnification, which is magnification that makes the image bigger without revealing any more details. Here is another comparison. This is a layer of onion epidermis cells, and while this is actually the same slide, the image taken through the light biological microscope is much better, which is because it is designed to handle higher magnifications. And while the Swift SW380T is much better for observing thin transparent specimens, it is unusable for observing large opaque specimens such as this tiny stone, which is because it is not able to achieve low magnifications or top illumination. In fact, stereo microscopes can observe a wide variety of things that biological light microscopes cannot. For example, my fingerprint. Another advantage of stereo microscopes is that they are very easy to use. Just plug them in, turn the light on, put anything under the stage, and begin observing. The Amscope Series 305 stereo microscope comes with 2 sets of eyepieces, a 10x pair and a 20x pair, which can be used to achieve different magnifications. However, I mostly just use the 10x eyepiece. The microscope comes with a small camera. It is connected to an adapter which goes in the place of an eyepiece. Then, it is connected to a computer through a USB cable. Here is an image of tissue fibers taken by the camera. Unfortunately, it only captures images at a resolution of 640 by 320 pixels. The camera can also record videos. However, the resolution is still 640 by 320 pixels. This video shows rotifers swimming around next to a moss leaf. And now we've reached the end. Until the end of this video, I'm going to be showing images that I captured using this microscope. Bye, see you next time.